What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and I'm so sorry you guys that it took such a while. And actually this is going to be a Madam Glam video. I do have the Born Pretty video. I just have one last segment of the video to record. Well, technically two. So I'm going to be doing that, and I'm probably going to post it as soon as possible, either later tonight or early tomorrow. But definitely going to get it done soon. And you guys, so today, let's start at the beginning. We're going to be using this Madam Glam color, and it's called Dreamer. I did unbox it in a previous video. Oops, I forgot to turn off my ringer, and my cat is whining at the door. Hold on, you guys, I'll be right back. Okay, so I will go ahead and link down below. Well, actually, I'll link it in my blog post for this video, the original video where I unbox these polishes. They are part of the Wanderlust collection by Madam Glam, and I am obsessed. You guys saw me use Purple Hero, which is like an ultimate favorite, honestly, out of all the colors that I've ever gotten from Madam Glam. And this one is like my all-time favorite gel polish ever, because I don't know if you guys see, but like the nude is perfect. It's literally so perfect. Like maybe if I had more of a tan, it would be even better. But as you guys can see, it's barely there, and that's exactly how nude should be. So I super, super, super love that. Alright, you guys, so I had to take a break because for some reason every time I sit down to work, literally my family is like, OMG, they go chaotic and confused, and I'm like, oh my gosh. So now everything is calm. So anyways, you guys can see from the hand that's already done that I basically did a super simple design. I am so happy and thankful to have finally found a nude that matches my complexion perfectly. It looks like I don't even have a nail polish base on. I mean, I did layer it a few layers, so it is thicker on my hand that's finished. But on this one where there's only one layer, it's literally like, wow. I just am so obsessed. I'm so obsessed. It's so beautiful. So shout out to Madam Glam. This color is magnificent, and it's literally so perfect, and I love it. And actually, I love all of the colors that we've used so far. I did go ahead and record another video where I used all of the colors on one set, so you guys are going to see that soon. And I thought this nail set actually, it's perfect timing. I just sat down. I knew I wanted to create a bare nail set, like a natural nail set, and just use the gel polish. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, 21 toxin-free formula. It's also environment friendly, which is nice. And I really love Madam Glam formula. The polish lasts for 4+ weeks, and I always do my pedicures with this polish by them, and they last. Like, I don't have to worry about it chipping off or anything like that. So I literally take full advantage. So sorry if you guys hear my little Molly girl in the background. She is being a handful. But I'm also using the SXC Cosmetics gel liners, and honestly, I'm pretty disappointed with these nail liners because I don't know, they're really sensitive. So I think that they do not flash cure at all. You have to fully cure them when you put them in the lamp, and then also you have to work in thin layers. Otherwise it just won't cure properly, and then it ends up being like bubbly, and then it'll actually flake off. But to be totally honest, I don't think it's necessarily that. I think it's the formula itself, because the way that it just flakes off, even if you have it like underneath top coat, and the way that it doesn't cure fully, it leads me to believe that something about the paint is not the right formula. I don't know if you guys have ever seen hot pink zebra print, hot pink zebra polish, I think that's her name. But she actually reps hard for Madam Glam, and she does really awesome, beautiful 3D nail art, and it's so excessive, and it's just like, it's so cool. But she teaches a lot about the different paints and their different consistencies. Like, for instance, acrylic paint always, no matter what you do, it will always peel off, and that's what happens with this, which leads me to believe it may be the formula. Whereas gel paint, it stays, and so on and so forth. She knows way more than I do. I'm just telling you guys like the little bit that I do remember that she said, and that I have learned and I've experienced. So yeah, that's that. But anyways, I thought this design was actually, so I did this design and I didn't really understand why it came to me. It just came to me. Like, I knew I wanted to draw something on the nails in black, but I didn't know what I wanted to draw or how I wanted to do it. So then this came to me and I was like, I don't really understand it, but I'll go with it. It's good or whatever. You know, it's cute. And it was so cute. When you guys see the finished product, everything is just so cute. But then I realized that there was going to be a full moon very soon, and then I realized that it was going to be the harvest moon weekend. So yeah, I don't know if you guys got to see that moon, but it was absolutely amazing, which explains why I have been absent. Is because it seems like the nature, by nature, I just kind of go into like a fasting, relaxation state of mind, or just like kind of like a prayer state, like a meditative state, typically around like whenever there's going to be a full moon. And I don't even really know that it's going to happen. It just happens naturally. And then I'm like, oh wow, this is so cool, you know, like I'm being forced not to do anything by the universe right now. And then I figure out like, oh, the full moon, and so on and so forth. So that was basically why I had to take a break. But I have plenty of videos that are, well, I won't say plenty, but I have one more Madam Glam video already ready for you guys. I have a Born Pretty video that is, I just have to do that final take, like those 2 final takes on that video. And then I have a nail reserve video for you guys, which I am super excited about. And if you guys have been keeping up with my videos and you have been wanting to hear like a follow-up on some of the stuff that I have mentioned before that I just kind of didn't, you know, touch on again, I'm gonna probably be touching on that in the nail reserve video, so you guys stay tuned for that. But do want to let you guys know that while I was talking about the Madam Glam polishes, I forgot to mention they do offer 30% off with my discount code, which is Goddess Nails 30, I think. Just go down to the description box. Everything will be there for you guys. And you can save 30% off if you choose to pay as you go when you check out. If you select to become a VIP member, I believe you can get up to 50% off, and there's additional perks. We will be doing a website review on Madam Glam soon, because I know I haven't done one and I've been dying to do one. And also, I know that I told you guys I was going to do a nail room tour, so I'm going to do that. I got to figure out how I want to film it. If I want to film it like in daytime or at nighttime. Probably going to film it during the daytime and show you guys. I also wanted to like make sure it was looking real neat and organized, so I'm working on that. But otherwise, it's really nothing too fancy. It's just a corner of a living room. I moved everything to my living room, so I have lots of space. And the way my house is set up, you guys, I cannot even tell you guys, but like, we're entrepreneurs here, so everything is like, every corner of the house is a craft or it's a resting area. It's usually like, okay, here we do sewing, here we do nails, here we do you know, this, here we do that, here we do this, and like every single corner. So it's not set up like a normal house here. We don't watch TV. Like, I personally don't watch TV, And we don't have a TV in our living room. We don't have a TV in our bedroom. We barely have a TV in our house. So that pretty much eliminated the need to use the biggest room of the house, i.e. the living room, as an actual living room, because we more so just use our living room as a sitting room. So yeah, just a little background information for you guys. But anyway, so you guys can see the design is coming along nicely, and honestly I love the brushes on these SXC Cosmetics gel liners. They're amazing. The two major disclaimers, discrepancies that I had was that I wish that there was like one of those little stoppers inside the bottle so that all the gel polish doesn't build up on the brush and then start to drip down, because if you want to do fine lines, that's inconvenient. And also I spend a lot of time like cleaning that part of the brush off, like the top part, the tube or whatever. And then of course the fact that it doesn't cure very well. But yeah, so how have you guys been? Please drop some comments down below and let me know how the harvest moon has been treating you. You guys know that my name is Scorpion Goddess Nails, okay? And one time someone asked me basically what inspired my name, Scorpion Goddess. I am a Scorpio, a die-hard to the core Scorpio. Every single thing about me screams Scorpio. And then of course goddess is like, I obviously esteem myself highly and I love myself and I cherish my body as my temple and things like that. But also I'm very in tune with the universe and with nature. So the harvest moon was like probably something I will never forget in my life. It was just like life-changing and amazing. A lot of the people that are connected to me felt like the drastic feeling that came with that moon, and it's just, I don't know how to explain it. If you know, then you know. Of course I don't want to offend anyone who's not really into that stuff, but you guys are going to start to see me be a little more expressive in that regard on my channel. And yeah, just that's all I got for you guys. But I'm using Matte Top Coat by SXC Cosmetics. I actually like this one. It's chill. You know, it gets the job done. And I'm just making sure that I add a good layer because I want it to get all around this nail art. The nail art is a little raised from the nail because I like my nail art like that. And if these polishes were like super good, they would be perfect for that, for the fact that you can build a lot of polish up on the brush, and the fact that like you can see how thick it is, right? It has no problem getting thick. So I like that. Just a little spoiler alert, in my nail reserve video I did 3D, well I didn't do 3D nail art, I did hand-drawn nail art, and I did Winnie the Pooh for the first time, you guys. It wasn't perfect, but it was literally so amazing. Everyone like was really supporting me, all my loved ones, and I thought that was so cool. So you guys are gonna see that on that video. So sorry to spoil, but I just could not hold back anymore, you guys. But I have plenty of videos for you guys. I love you guys so much. We are using our Madam Glam cuticle oil, which I love. This one and my rose cuticle oil by Young Nails are my favorite. And please remember to oil your cuticles every single day, multiple times a day. I have been doing that lately, and it just helps so much for my natural nails. They really do get a lot of strength from that. I started to notice like, wow, my natural nails are really strong lately, because usually they're pretty weak. But no, oiling multiple times a day helps a lot. Alright, you guys, so here is the finished product. I need you to drop a comment and let me know what you think. 333 is my favorite number, so that was my inspiration. And I try not to tell people that because I want it to be my favorite number. But now you guys know, so that's how you know we family. Anyways, I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you soon, and I will be dropping another video, you guys. We are back to the back-to-back uploads. I promise. I don't care if I gotta skip work this weekend. You guys are gonna have videos every single day, okay? And anyways, I love you guys so much, and we will be having our giveaway very soon, you guys. I'm going to be announcing it. I'm so excited. I'm nervous. I'm overwhelmed, but I'm excited. So be sure to stay tuned, and you guys will be hearing more details about that soon. You can also go to my blog at www.scorpiongoddessknows.blog, and you can stay updated if you subscribe, because I will be letting my subscribers know first and foremost. And I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you in the next one. Peace.